gonna do my makeup and just talk and kind of introduce myself. First, I'm going to prime, as the queen, Nikki Tutorial says. Not to prime. Is what? It's a crime. She doesn't say it like that. Now we're gonna go in with Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. So we just do, whoop. It's a sponge, it's a makeup sponge, okay? And we use it a little damp, tap it in because we want that full coverage look, baby. Also, is this background okay? Like, are those lights too flickery? It looks like a strobe light, right? How about over there? Can you see the pineapple? Oh, we didn't even discuss what is my aesthetic. Well, I'm glad you asked. Flamingos. Now I'm going to use concealer. It's Wet n Wild, cruelty-free also. I love that. We love that for us. We love that for the flamingos. Also, Catrice One Drop Coverage Weightless Concealer. And then I have these Stay Assurance concealers by JCat, which are kind of heavy, but they work really well for like cutting the crease. So I might use that for that today. Sometimes I don't know where to put concealer. It is what it is. A little bit of a damp sponge again. I actually didn't even know how to do much makeup at all. I didn't really know anything about it. I didn't really care about it until college, I would say. But I think that, you know, I never knew the art of it. And there is such an art to makeup, and that's why I've recently gotten so into it. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with this translucent powder that I'm impulsive and I just got it. And it's not really been worth it. I'm gonna challenge myself and try and do a glam clown. Yeah. I don't know, let's see what happens. So I'm just going in here, lining the edges of my brow. She went outside the lines, honey. Tell me, should I just like leave my brows alone and not, just not? Or is this okay? Let me know. This is just a clown with some strong brows. Let this clown live her damn life. Now let's prime the eyes. My primer is Put a Lid on It Eyelid Primer by The Balm Cosmetics. Now I'm going to start with Eyeshadow by Rude C'est La Vie palette. Check it out. So colorful, right? And then the Perplex Supreme Glamage palette, which also has cute and bright colors. Let's go in with the C'est La Vie palette in La Douce. I took French in high school and it didn't stick. Okay, I'm not picking up enough of this. There's a lot of fallout in the pan about this. Oh, and on my face. Woo, baby. One thing I wish I had was lashes, and I need to get some so I can be really fabulous. And now I'm gonna go in with the Bijou color. Bijou. I'm definitely not saying that right. And I'm putting that a little bit over here. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm making some art. I know, it looks like a lot right now. Remember, this is Halloween. Baby. Ooh, I haven't used this color yet, I don't think. That's pigmented. Oh, bitch. Check that out. what am I gonna do on the inside part? That's the question. Oh, there's so much fallout though. That's the unfortunate thing. It's so pretty though. Tell me how to not have this kind of fallout. It's gonna work for this look, you'll see. But, you know, this right here, there, it's normally not the thing, but it's okay today. I don't remember the order I did any of this in. Strobe light. This is really awkward. I'm trying to do it at an angle where you can see, but I would normally not like cross myself over this way. But if I go the other way, you can't see what I'm doing. I could also just, let's go in and cut that crease. Ooh, what? Let's use some charisma. And then some thriving. Because we are thriving, right? I mean, honestly, when the world is so in such a heartless place, it seems like, I want a little more joy and maybe spread a little bit of joy, a moment of joy. You know what I mean? Let's go in with Empower. So to contour, I'm not even using a contouring palette. I'm using Revlon highlighting palette. I'm like all about that shimmer life, apparently. Blush. Don't be afraid to be extra, just go extra. Shimmery, glittery, weird ass clown is the vibe. That's the vibe. Okay, a lot has happened. I had the memory card. Whoa, this makes me look really weird. Memory card got full and I didn't even notice. I know I'm not telling you what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. God, I have so many layers of like concealer where I was just like trying to cover up my mistakes. There's not enough concealer in the world to do that. Oh, maybe if I like bring the colors up, and I should have covered maybe this part of my eyebrows. Maybe I still could. This is gonna be really weird. Let's just do it. Come on. And we were working with some blue here. Oh yes. Is this a look you want? Is this what you were asking me for? I think I'm confusing mimes and clowns and David Bowie. And so I'm not doing anybody any favors. You know what? We're gonna go off camera for a minute and figure out what's happening here. Try to get this under control. Yeah, I used concealer. Because just lashes would make it so this could be more glam. Let's do some hair and then I'll be right back. You know, I really thought this would be a complete fail. I'm okay with it. I'm pretty okay with it. If you liked this look, this video, give it a like. Give me a follow. Tell your friends. Tell your moms. Bye.